is Zaskia Rofida with student ID 2024-32054 from class A. In this video, I will present my laboratory report about firewall and access control list or ACL. The purpose of this practical activity is to understand the concept of network security, learn how firewall and ACL work, and practice configuring them on network devices. First, I will explain about network security. Network security is a method used to protect computer networks from threats, attacks, and unauthorized access. Nowadays, computer networks are very important because almost all communication and data sharing use network systems. If the network is not protected properly, important data can be stolen or damaged by attackers. One important technology used in network security is firewall. A firewall is a security system that monitors and filters incoming and outgoing network traffic based on specific rules. Firewall works like a gatekeeper between internal and external networks. If the traffic matches the rule, it will be allowed. If not, the traffic will be blocked. Firewall has several important functions. It can prevent unauthorized access, protect device from attacks, filter suspicious traffic, and monitor network activity. There are several types of firewall, such as packet filtering firewall, proxy firewall, and next generation firewall. Next, I will explain access control list or ACL. ACL is a collection of rules used to control access in a network. ACL determines which user or devices are allowed or denied access based on IP address, protocol, or port number. There are two main types of ACL. The first is standard ACL, which filters traffic based on search IP address only. The second is extended ACL, which filters traffic based on search IP, destination IP, protocol, and port number. In this practical activity, the first step was creating the network topology. I used 3 PC, 2 switches, 1 router, and 1 server. All devices were arranged in the workspace based on the topology design. After that, all devices were connected using straight cable. Straight cable is used to connect different types of devices. For example, PC to switch and switch to router. The next step was configuring IP addresses on each device. This configuration is important so every device can communicate with other devices in the network. Then I perform basic router configuration using the CLI or command line interface. The configuration included activating interface, assigning IP address, and enabling interface using the no shutdown command. After completing the basic configuration, I created ACL rules on the router. The ACL rules were used to determine which traffic should be allowed and which traffic should be denied. Next, the ACL was applied to the router interface using inbound or outbound direction. This step is important because the ACL rules will not work if they are not applied to the interface. The last step was testing the network configuration. I used ping testing between devices to check whether the network traffic was permitted or blocked according to the configured rules. From this practical activity, I learned that firewall and ACL are very important in maintaining network security. Firewall can filter and monitor network traffic, while ACL can control access permissions for users and devices. I also learned that proper configuration and testing are necessary to ensure the network works securely and properly. Incorrect configuration can cause communication problems or security vulnerabilities. In conclusion, this practical activity helped me understand both the theory and implementation of firewall and ACL in computer networks. The practice also improved my skills in configuring network security systems. That's all for my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.